Hi there, everyone. Today I want to talk about how I redesigned my personal web page. So as you can see, this is the original version of my website. There's a lot of words in here, and we all know human doesn't got like really good long attention span in here, especially with the current generation, because we see Instagram and a lot of advertisement. It's just like really short time span focus, and we need to doing this short time span focus to bring out a message. And what I want to bring out to the message is, hey, you know what? I'm interested in being a software engineer, or I'm a software engineer, and I want to bring value skills, and I would like to connect with people, and here are my skill sets. So how do I do it? Uh, so instead of like, completely like, finding like a professional to completely redesign my template, because I'm not a front end person. I know HTML, CSS, and React, but I don't know to that extension. So what I did actually, I did something quite simple, which is go to HTML5, up.net, and there's a bunch of templates in here which let everyone to download for free and use it. And you see, like, you got a story one, which is pretty nice. Let's say you got a short story, and you just actually, you know what? Let's just click on here and take a look at it. Take a look at it as well. So you can see, let's say you got a story you want to tell people, get started, you learn more about it, and you bring it back here. So you can see, like, uh, you can really see like there's a story being told in here. Different type of spotlight, gallery, items as well. I think this is probably good for a photographer to showcase their picture, the photos, stuff like that. But for me, in here, I want to keep it simple because I what my personal web page to do. And I'm also not a front end person. I just want to tell them, hey, you know what? This some of my work. This is a basic introduction me, and here's where you contact me. And I don't really need to tell them too much about my skill set as well. Because why? Because I can just post my resume. If they want to know my technical skill set, they can go to my resume. So actually, this is what I did. So this is my complete redesign web page in here, and you can see, I just tell people straight up, uh, instead of like, the old website, a lot of clunky words in here. I just tell them the main point. Really, really simple. And let me refresh it. I think I just did an update. Yep. I thought, hey, you know what? I am a computer science graduate student at Georgia Tech with a concentration in machine learning. And my interests are everything related to AI, because that's true, or else I wouldn't study machine learning, right? And backend development and statistics. Yeah, in case you don't know, I like Bayesian statistics. I like time series model. I do like data science a lot as well. So yeah, any combination of the three. So any recruiter, they only need like probably like 20 seconds. They already know, like, who am I as a person, like, and what kind of skill set I can bring into the table, and do I fit the team, like, within that 20 second. And I say, you know what, hey, actually I want to find a backend developer, and they can see a little bit more of me. Then I can, tell them a little bit extra stuff about me, and they can read it about me as well. And then if they want to know my skill set, they can go click here, which is my resume. And then here's my, this is like a direct to a PDF version of my resume. And if they want to contact with me, uh, you know, they can see here as well. And, go to LinkedIn, uh, or go to my GitHub to see to connect with me, or YouTube, Lico. Uh, yeah, just choose. And probably in my intro, I might edit a bit as well, and just to put in the information about connecting with me as well, make it more friendly. But yeah, this is like a basic template of how to design a web page, and not design web page, but what are the key things that you want to bring out from the web page. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And also, one more important thing is, like, you can see the background. The background in here, I didn't use like any anime stuff in here as well. Because don't get me wrong, anime is super cool, but not everyone likes anime. And let's say, hey, you know what? If the recruiter likes anime, great. there might be a few couple extra bonus point. But let's say if that person is not a big fan of anime, if you put something anime related, that's gonna be a big minus point, and that's a no-no. So that's why to keep things less, to keep things more safer, I use like a nature background, and the nature background in here is kind of dark in here, so it doesn't take away too much focus. It sits really nicely in the background. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and talk to you guys later.